hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Saili. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to share my summer essentials. मुझे summers बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, especially in Mumbai. It's really hot and humid. It is literally impossible to go outside or do anything. So I'm just trying to have some products that will make me feel better, and I'm going to share them with you today. So I was randomly looking for a face wash on Amazon, and I came across this one. This is by The Dermaco. This is that 2% salicylamide anti acne face wash. तो मैं काफ़ी टाइम से इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ अ रियली अ डिसेंट फेस वॉश. आई कैनॉट क्लेम दैट इट इज़ एंटी एक्ने और समथिंग, बट इसके अंदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स है जैसे सैलिसिलिक है, नाइसियामाइड है, विच आर नोन फॉर लाइक एंटी एक्ने. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फॉर्मुलेशन, इट हैज़ अ वेरी लाइक जेल लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी. काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से ये फेस को क्लीन भी करता है विदाउट मेकिंग इट टू ड्राई. ओवरऑल दिस इज़ अ लाइक अ रियली गुड फेस वॉश टू ट्राई. मॉइस्चराइज़र के लिए मैंने फिर से डॉट एंड की का ये विटामिन सी मॉइस्चराइज़र स्टार्ट किया है यूज़ करने. इस प्रोडक्ट को कोई भी प्रमोशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई थिंक लाइक out of 5 people at least 4 people are using this moisturizer. It is really good. अगर तुमने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया, you should definitely try this. काफ़ी सेफ प्रोडक्ट है. मैंने किसी को भी नहीं सुना है जिनको ये प्रोडक्ट ये मॉइस्चराइज़र बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया है. It suits literally everyone. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. It is a really good moisturizer. You might won't able to find something better than this after using this. For my skin especially, it just loves this moisturizer. और ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट भी है. It get absorbs very quickly. It has vitamin C, so you get that brightening benefit as well. If you have any vacation plan or you are outside for like more time and you want to reapply sunscreen, then I have been using this. This is by Earth Rhythm. This is the Aqua Surge. This is completely like a transparent sunscreen. I really liked it a lot. It just comes in this kind of a packaging. You are supposed to remove it from here, and then it is like so, like this one is like so clear and it has no white cast whatsoever. See, no white cast at all. This is such a good sunscreen, and I don't know why nobody is talking about Earth Rhythm. It is a very like underrated kind of a brand. Really great products. This one also, I have used it so much when I went to Goa and I really liked it. Really good. Next product is very important. Do not skip your sunscreen even if you are just staying indoors. The sunscreen that I am very loyal to is this Dot and Key sunscreen. This is the watermelon cooling sunscreen. This is a really great sunscreen especially for oily skin type. ये स्किन में काफ़ी इजीली एब्जॉर्ब होता है एंड आई जस्ट टोटली लव इट. और मैं घूम फिर के यही सनस्क्रीन पे आती हूँ. मैं बाकी के भी यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज यू लिटरली रन आउट ऑफ सनस्क्रीन सो फास्ट. विद इन लाइक 10 days ये ख़त्म हो जाता है. मूविंग ऑन टू नाइट स्किन केयर. नाइट का स्किन केयर मैंने काफ़ी ही लाइट एंड क्विक रखा है. फॉर अ टोनर आई एम ऑलवेज यूजिंग दिस वंडर सेरामाइड मोची टोनर, एंड ये मैंने विंटर्स में भी यूज़ किया है, ये मैं समर्स में भी यूज़ करती हूँ. ये काफ़ी अच्छा टोनर है एंड इट इज़ लाइक मिल्की. इट इज़ नॉट रियली हैवी ऑन स्किन एंड आई एम रियली गोइंग टू रीपर्चेज इट. इट इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. दिस इज़ फॉर समथिंग 1600 और समथिंग. येस, ये काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव है पर ये काफ़ी टाइम चलता भी है एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर दिस ऑनेस्टली. और मैं हाइफिन का भी मिल्की टोनर ट्राई कर रही हूँ अभी. सो लेट्स सी इफ़ दैट इज़ ड्यूब फॉर दिस, तो काफ़ी पैसे बच जाएंगे. For moisturizer, I'm using this by Plum. This is their green tea night gel moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. There is nothing to not like in this. और ये especially for oily skin ये काफ़ी अच्छा है and काफ़ी easily skin में absorb होता है and no nonsense. This is it is good for sensitive skin as well. I was having acne like few years back और मैं यही product use करती थी and like it has a green tea, so it works really good on acne, and it also has glycolic acid which gives you that brightening effect. And I really enjoy using the toner with sprays. I don't have it right now but I dedicatedly use Plump niacinamide toner. It is a really good toner. You just keep it in fridge और बाद में फिर you keep spraying it. It hydrates your skin as well and also it feels very good. Moving on to body care. Body care is so important especially in summer. But if you live in Mumbai, तो क्या ही summer क्या ही winter. It's hot and humid like whole year. but I am using body wash by Body Wise. This is their 1% salicylic body wash. I totally love it. I have used it a lot, and I have heard कि ये रोज़ नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए, but I'm using it every day and my skin is not dried or anything. Maybe because I have a oily skin. So if you have a dry skin, maybe you just start with using it once in a week or twice in a week. But it is working really great for me. And also you need to double cleanse your body. So use a antibacterial soap. You're like OG, Dove, Medimix. I use Medimix. I love it. And after that you can go in with body wash and you will see the difference that it makes. It just feels, you can feel the difference. Literally, just try it. Roll-ons are also very important part of a body care. If you are not using it, start using it. It really makes difference. The two which I absolutely love are by Wishcare and Be Body Wise. Wishcare ones, they both actually perform very similar, but Be Body Wise, I have noticed that it just lasts longer than the Wishcare one. These both have actives, and so they also work on pigmentation, and these are really good roll-ons and they really work, because I have also seen it working for a lot of people, and personally I have been using it since years. Let's move to the hair care category. I have absolutely stopped heat styling, like completely stopped. I have like a wavy and curly hair, so I used to do curly girl method 2 years before, but then I completely stopped and I started straightening my hair, and it did damage my hair a lot. So अभी मैंने पूरी तरीके से बंद कर दिया है, एंड आई एम मूविंग टूवर्ड्स लाइक CG मेथड. द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद CG मेथड इज़ दैट इट इज़ सो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, एंड फॉर मी जिस दिन मैं जब भी कर रही हूँ, मतलब आई हैव वॉश्ड माई हेयर एंड आई एम डूइंग लाइक कर्ली गर्ल मेथड एंड आई एम लाइक स्टाइलिंग माई हेयर, इट जस्ट लुक्स गुड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे. नेक्स्ट डे वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं दिखता था, तो इसीलिए. एंड आई हैड रियली लॉन्ग हेयर, लाइक up till the waist. My hair length was till my waist, so it was very difficult to do that method. It also takes a lot of time, so I stopped it. But now, to improve the health of my hair, I am starting again, and I have stopped heat styling completely. Shampoo, especially for summer, you need to use this salicylic acid shampoo by L'Oreal. Not only by L'Oreal but any other brand, but include some kind of a shampoo which has salicylic acid or anything that will remove your build-up, so that it won't like come in between your hair growth, and it also creates a lot of problems. So it's very important to remove the build-up. कोई मतलब styling कर रहे हो and you are using like lot of like hair spray or curl-in cream or leave-in conditioner or anything sort of that, or even a hair growth serum you are using every day, with dirt and pollution it gets built up. So it is very important to remove it. Include something like this one. This is a salicylic acid. कुछ तो active definitely include in your hair care routine. I use this like twice a week, and other than that I use glycolic acid shampoo also by L'Oreal. Conditioner भी मैं उसी का use करती हूँ. Only the shampoo which I use is this. Not only this, but I have also like tried different brands, AHA or like salicylic acid shampoo, but so far I loved this one. मैंने जैसे कि बताया मेरे curly और wavy hair है, तो वो काफ़ी dry और frizzy भी होते हैं, so it is very important for me to include a hair mask. So the hair mask that I love is by Dove. This is their Nourishing Deep Treatment 10-in-1 hair mask. I really love this. I think काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने ये already try किया होगा. This is not a new launch or anything. This has been there since a really long time. And I don't like Dove shampoos and Dove conditioners, but I love their hair masks. They are very thick and they also like very nourishing, very hydrating. If you haven't tried, just give it try once if you have dry and frizzy hair. I am actually going extra mile, and I am also using heat protectant spray even when I am not like heat styling my hair or anything, but I am going out during daytime. I am using heat protection spray because the heat outside is unbelievable and I feel like it damage your hair, so better like start using a heat protectant spray. Let's move on to my favorite part, that is makeup. Makeup तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है and I do it even in summer, but very light. I keep it absolutely very light because heavy makeup in summer, like what's the use, it is going to melt down from your skin and it looks very bad. So for base makeup मैंने ये न्यू प्रोडक्ट ट्राई किया है. दिस इज़ इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक स्किन टिंट. स्किन टिंट तो मतलब काफ़ी वायरल चल रहा है अभी, मतलब एवरी ब्रांड स्किन टिंट लॉन्च कर रहा है. बट this one is really good and it retails for rupees 300, which is very cheap. I have other brands tinted skin tint by L'Oreal, the one which comes in a bottle. It was also like went viral. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड, बट उससे अच्छा मुझे ये लगा है बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट एंड इट इज़ नॉट हैवी. इट इज़ लाइट वेट दैन द लॉरियल वन विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ सीरम. इट हैज़ वेरी सीरम काइंड ऑफ अ टेक्स्चर. इसका कवरेज काफ़ी बिल्डेबल है और अगर आपने कभी लैक्मे का सीसी क्रीम या इवन मेबलिन का बीबी क्रीम यूज़ किया है, इट इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट एंड इट इज़ बेटर दैन फाउंडेशन. मतलब इन समर इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू यूज़ मेकअप but you can't use foundation because it is too heavy, so this is a perfect replacement for this. Definitely give it a try. And I'm also loving this water tint by Etude. This is not like a specific summer product, but why I'm including in this video is that this is a very like no makeup kind of a product. You can just like apply this on your cheeks, on your lips, and you're good to go. It is very lightweight and it stays for so long. But just remember, इतना याद रखना कि इसको bare skin पे अगर आप लगाते हो तो वो ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए रहता है, ऐसे मुझे लगता है. Even before moisturizer, just try apply it before moisturizer. You will notice that it will stay longer if you use it like after your skincare. Planning to attend a wedding or something in summer, then this is the primer for your makeup. And if you have oily skin and you have the pore issue, then definitely try this Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. It just smoothen out your skin. It is really good under makeup. इस 929 मस्कारा, ये काफ़ी अच्छा मस्कारा है एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी अफोर्डेबल. दिस इज़ फॉर 350 और समथिंग. इट इज़ सो गुड. इट कैन बी कम्पेयर टू अ हाई एंड मस्काराज. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग, ये ट्यूब मस्कारा है तो इसको रिमूव करने में भी ज़्यादा मतलब टाइम नहीं लगता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो डज नॉट लाइक मेल्ट अवे. इट स्टेज फॉर रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर न्यू मस्कारा, you should definitely like look into this product. It is really good one. For long lasting makeup, you need to now powder your makeup to fix it, and I'm really enjoying using K Beauty loose powder. This I have been using since last like 5 to 6 months and अभी तक ये ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है and the quantity is really good. This product is really expensive and you cannot use it every single day. Even I don't use it every single day. You can definitely try Nykaa All Day Matte Compact. I don't have it right now. It is in my some purse that I cannot find, but I have tried it. I use it. It is always in my bag and it is a really good compact powder and it is also long lasting. It quickly fixes your makeup and you can there are a lot of shades. You can choose your shade from the collection. You are into lip glosses. This lip gloss by Maybelline Filter Gloss. This is such a good lip gloss. This is in the shade Petal and what a beautiful finish it gives. I think this one is my favorite. I have tried lot of lip glosses, even the budget ones. Budget ones mein Mars ka is also like Candylicious lip gloss is also really good, but this one is something else only and it also like stays for a long time. If you love matte lipstick, definitely give this one a try. This is by Fay Beauty. This is their very popular lip whip. It is popular for all right reasons. It is not that transfer proof, but overall this is a really good formula and it is so lightweight. You just forget that you have applied lipstick and it also comes in lot of shades like nude everyday kind of a shade. You are going to love it. And if you are a eyeliner person, definitely try this Lakme eyeliner. The best thing about this is that it does not melt. It rolls out from your eyes when you remove it. Otherwise it just stays and it is a really good eyeliner and also very budget friendly. I recently tried this baby hair fixer by 4 Trees. This is really good product for the days when you don't want to like wash your hair or you don't know what to do. You don't want to style your hair, but if you put it in a pony, the flyaways just looks very weird. So to look put together, I use this is a very like a nice product. It gives you that sleek look, so majority of the time I use this. Something like this is a really good quick fix. Last but not least, hydrate your body from inside as well. I love this tumbler. I know there are so many critics around this is like a useless product, it is so expensive, this and that, but honestly it is a good investment for me. I do feel like I'm drinking a lot of water since I have got it. I know it is a like ridiculously expensive product to own, but I have been using it since like more than a year, and it is in such a good condition yet. And if you feel like it is expensive, just gift it to someone or ask for a gift. I have gifted the same to my sister. My sister has gifted me, so that just reduce the guilt overall. But I feel this is a really good like sustainable use of the product, and it is so good for hydrating. This is like a metal, so also no plastic. The straw is also for metal. It is really good for your health, and I do feel you will be consuming a lot of water once you start drinking it from this. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, just share, comment down so that I know you are watching, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.